Hello everyone! Do you have new warehousing staff on your team? Or those you wish to go through a refresher course? We have a webinar workshop for them. Our 3-hour webshop on good warehousing practices scheduled February 10 from 2 to 5 p.m. will discuss the 3 commandments of warehousing. What are these 3 commandments? First, working safely. Second, being accurate. And third, working fast. The web shop will also refresh team members' knowledge on warehousing safety requirements, inventory record accuracy, and productivity. At the end of the webinar, participants will be able to understand basic warehouse management concepts and gain renewed appreciation for general safety, the need for accuracy and for productivity, connect warehousing responsibility and business objectives to your company's vision and mission objectives. Who should attend? Warehousing professionals, supply chain professionals, import-export staff, logistics service providers, freight forwarders, and customs brokers. Our supply chain consultant, Norman Adriano, will guide your warehousing team to an improved and productive performance. We hope to see you on February 10. To register, kindly go to the link below. See you all on February 10.